In the competitive world of e-commerce, pricing strategies can make or break your business. Finding the right approach can maximize your revenue, attract loyal customers, and ultimately lead to a long-term success. Hi, my name is Richard, and today we'll explore some game-changing pricing strategies that can take your e-commerce business to the new heights. Let's start with bundles. Offering product bundles is a powerful strategy to increase your average order value. By combining complementary products into a bundle, you provide added value to your customers while encouraging them to spend more. Whether it's a set of different coffees or a fitness package, bundles create a win-win situation, delighting customers and boosting your sales. Next, let's talk about baking shipping costs into your product pricing. Shipping costs can be a turn-off for customers, leading to cart abandonment. By including shipping costs in your product prices, you can eliminate surprises during the checkout process. The customer should feel like they are paying for the actual product and not for the delivery of the product. Subscription offers are a powerful tool to build customer loyalty and generate recurring revenue. By providing a subscription option, you give customers the convenience of regularly receiving your products while enjoying discounts or exclusive perks. For your business, subscriptions provide stability and predictable revenue. Maximizing revenue doesn't stop at the initial sale. Upsells and cross-sells play a crucial role in increasing the average cart value. Upsells involve offering a higher priced or upgraded version of the product, while cross-sells suggest complementary products that enhance the customer purchase. These strategies capitalize on the customer's buying intent. If you've gained the customer trust and they've opened their wallet, then they are more likely to purchase more. Strike the iron while it's hot, so to speak. Sometimes losing money on the first sale can be a strategic move. Offering an irresistible deal or a product at a price lower than your costs can attract new customers and drive initial sales. While you may incur a short-term loss, the goal is to win over customers who will then purchase other products at the regular prices or become loyal subscribers. Many brands employ this strategy because they don't think in terms of revenue from a single sale, but they think in terms of the customer lifetime value, or the amount of revenue the customer will bring over time. As you navigate the complex world of e-commerce pricing, remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment, test, analyze data, and find the right mix of strategies that align with your business goals and your target audience. By implementing smart pricing strategies like product bundles, baking in shipping costs, subscriptions, upsells, and cross-sells, you'll unlock a new level of profitability and sustainable growth for your e-commerce business. That's it for now. Subscribe and like our channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. See you later.